Clock is ticking for the feds to explain why a reporter's detainment was legal. A judge has extended the deadline to Thursday at 5 p.m. ICE took Nashville Noticias reporter Stephanie Rodriguez into custody last Wednesday. Her attorneys have suggested she was arrested for her coverage of ICE, and they want a judge to now set her free. News 2's Alexia Tropoulos explains why the warrant served is raising questions across the country. Alexia.
Kendall, the warrant filed by Rodriguez's lawyers and the one DHS is posting on social media look different. I spoke to former immigration judge who explains what this judge will be looking for to determine if Stephanie Rodriguez should be released. Court documents say Stephanie Rodriguez entered the country legally with a tourist visa, but it expired. She had a pending asylum claim.
The application for asylum is what provides the basis for her work permit.
ICE had defended the arrest, saying she's illegally been in the country since 2021.
Generally speaking, visa overstays are not subject to these detentions unless they've had some sort of a criminal activity. Even if she is considered to be a visa overstay, she's eligible to be released from custody on a bond.
What her attorneys did instead was ask the district court to release her because of the warrant served.
The warrant was, number one, defective, and number two, shouldn't have been and was not properly served.
A photo of the warrant Rodriguez's attorney filed is making rounds across the country. A Texas congressman posted to X saying, quote, "The warrant is not a judicial warrant and is not properly filled out," end quote. And DHS responded saying, quote, "This is false. Here's the warrant. It's embarrassing when sanctuary politicians fall for these obvious hoaxes," end quote.
Now, if the one that was not fully executed was the one that she had on her possession, so you have an issue as to proper service of the warrant. So is she properly in custody based on the defective warrant?
The Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition tell me
what they tweeted actually demonstrates that it was a warrantless arrest. An ICE warrant is not a warrant signed by a judge, which just further underscores that this is a violation of Stephanie's Fourth Amendment rights.
They are outraged by the treatment Rodriguez is getting.
She is not the first, and she certainly will not be the last.
Her lawyers say Rodriguez had a scheduled immigration check-in appointment later this month. We expect a response from the government now by Thursday night. Ladies.
Thanks, Alexia.